South Padre Island, best places to visit in Texas. Every March, like clockwork, students would cram into cars and head to South Padre Island for spring break fun in the sun and 24-hour beach bashes. Times have changed, and while some of today's college kids still plan beach trips to South Padre, the area has seen a rebirth of sorts as a popular family vacation destination. That's because South Padre, or SPI, delivers with wide sandy beaches, sparkling blue water and a mixture of funky hotels and bars that emphasize character. But there's more to SPI than beach revelry. Kiteboarding is a favorite pastime, and several sports outfitters offer deep-sea fishing trips and dolphin watching excursions. The consistently warm weather also seduces northern Texans seeking refuge from the cold. And it's understandable, just a day's drive from major Texas cities like Houston and Dallas, this seaside paradise is right in the state's own backyard. What you need to know. Spring break is still big. For 6 weeks out of the year, South Padre overflows with rowdy 20-somethings, which can ruin your family-friendly getaway. Safety first. If you're in town for spring break, remember that the bright sunshine can maximize the effects of alcohol. Don't forget to eat regularly, drink plenty of water and keep your friends close by. Know which way the storm is headed. If you're visiting between June and November, make sure to pay close attention to the weather. South Padre is sometimes prone to hurricanes. Getting around South Padre Island. The best way to get around South Padre Island is on foot, especially since the area clocks in at a measly 2 square miles in size, much of which is shoreline. There is also a free public shuttle, the Wave, which runs the length of the town and across Laguna Madre to Port Isabel. However, if you're interested in visiting some of the other outlying communities, you may want to rent a car. Getting into town from the Brownsville South Padre Island International Airport, BRO, located about 25 miles southwest can seem daunting, but you can make the trip without having to worry about overspending. Island Airport shuttles pick up at the BRO airport and can take you as far as Port Isabel, where you can catch the Wave. Visitors can also fly into Valley International Airport, via, in Harlingen about 40 miles west of South Padre, and catch the South Padre shuttle to the island. One-way fares cost $25 per passenger, round trip is $40. Car rentals are also available. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe this channel to get more videos.